Code.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Tech Code TV. Today, we're delving into the realm of innovation with 10 incredible inventions tailored for pickup trucks. But before we delve into the details, don't forget to hit that like button and smash subscribe for more fantastic content. Now, are you prepared to be awestruck? Let's dive in. If you've got some extra cash after investing, in the mini stairs mentioned earlier, consider this lighting system. The first option costs $27 for 1.5 meters, equipped with 90 LEDs and a flexible rubber housing and adhesive tape for easy installation. It's a convenient solution for almost any vehicle, including trucks and motorhomes. The second option is a bit pricier at $36, offering 8 individual modules, each with 9 LEDs. The manufacturer promises a brightness 5 times greater than other similar products, and a lifetime of at least 50,000 hours. Keeping cargo stable during transport is crucial. BattleNet introduced S-Barricade, a specially designed D-crossbar to securely hold boxes, crate S, and similar loads. It includes durable nets made from robust military-grade materials known for their strength. These nets are suitable not only for truck beds, but also roof racks. The large StatNet measures 4.6 by 4.6 meters, so sturdy they were used as decorations at the premiere showing of the film Extraction. Tramontina, known for producing pots, furniture, appliance S, and garbage cans, now provides tool organizers that make life simpler for motorists. The standard mode L, that is 1 meter wide, comes with 5 lockable draw Rs, providing rubber seals keep pea dust out, and the largest bottom drawer supports a load of 40 kilograms, while the smaller top drawers support 30 kilograms E8. Its makers say it's a perfect solution for farm yards. Ford takes pride in calling its newest range the most flexible pickup EAT, likening it to a Swiss Army knife. A notable feature is the flexible rack system, FRS crafted by Ford's Australian office. Australians, renowned for their skill in cargo hauling, meaningfully added D to this ingenious system. The FRS was carefully designed with client wants in mind, yielding a roof-mounted setup able to bear up to 80 kg of shifting weight and approximately 250 kg when stationary. Thanks to the innovative sliding track system installed above the platform, even bulky items like boards, ladders, and canoes can now be transported with ease. This design has received high acclaim, leading Ford to apply for a patent on its configuration, which fans have fittingly nicknamed Rack and Roll. This system, designed for moving motorcycles off-road, is quick, straightforward, and rebellious, much like real rock and roll. The unique mix of turnbuckles, brackets, and chocks has caught many experts off guard, but Rack and Roll performs flawlessly. It can handle up to 275 kg, sufficient for a couple of Euro motorcycles or a superbike with very low ground clearance. One person can easily use Rack and Roll thanks to the front wheel lock that keeps the bike steady while securing it. The system comes with a lighting kit adding to its appeal, although the RAM is sold separately for $395. Davis Industries offers 2 cargo transportation solutions, catering to different needs and budgets. The first solution, priced at around $45,000, is handy for transporting a forklift on a Ford 350. It combines a hydraulic lift and a low center of gravity trailer, allowing a single person to control the combination efficiently. The more compact and affordable option, priced at $899, is designed for trailers, weighing about 8 tons. It's easy to dismount and move along the frame rails to properly distribute the load between the axles. Both solutions offer efficiency and reliability, making cargo transportation a breeze. Switzerland, renowned for its commitment to education and research, stands as a beacon of innovation with a myriad of pioneering companies across various industries. Among these innovations is the X-Rack system, hailing from the Swiss landscape, which revolutionizes the transportation of debris and construction equipment using standard pickup trucks. Crafted from robust, welded S355 steel, the X-Rack boasts a sturdy structure capable of bearing loads of up to 1.2 tons, providing a reliable solution for heavy-duty tasks. Its intuitive design enables drivers to effortlessly manage loading and unloading procedures through a convenient remote control mechanism, enhancing efficiency and ease of use on construction sites and beyond. What sets the X-Rack apart is its compatibility with popular pickup truck models, such as the Ford Ranger and Toyota Hilux, owing to its modular design. This adaptability ensures seamless integration with existing fleet vehicles, empowering businesses with versatility to tackle diverse tasks with optimal resource utilization. Expanding on the realm of innovative cargo solutions, Basecamp emerges as a game-changer in pickup truck cargo transportation. Their innovative system of containers, ingeniously designed to glide along the truck's platform, redefines convenience and accessibility in hauling goods. Constructed to withstand the elements, Basecamp's containers boast waterproof properties, safeguarding valuable cargo from adverse weather conditions during transit. With a maximum load capacity of 122 kg, these containers offer ample space for various types of freight while maintaining structural integrity. Despite its remarkable capabilities, it's important to note that the Basecamp system is not intended for use as a makeshift crane, emphasizing safety considerations in its operation. Nonetheless, the system's ease of installation, requiring only one person for setup, underscores its user-friendly design and practicality in real-world applications. The enthusiastic response to Basecamp's pre-orders, priced at $100, underscores the burgeoning demand and widespread interest in innovative solutions for cargo transportation. As businesses increasingly prioritize efficiency and productivity, these Swiss-born innovations exemplify the fusion of ingenuity and practicality in addressing contemporary logistical challenges. The multi-headache rack offers a versatile solution for cargo transportation, capable of handling up to 454 kg of cargo, whether you're transporting boards, bicycles, or a multi-person tent. The multi-rack is designed to unlock the full potential of your vehicle. Manufacturers claim that the addition of accessories like ladders, toolboxes, and extra fasteners for kayaks or bicycles can further enhance its utility. Compatible with various makes and models, from the Ford Ranger to the Jeep Gladiator, the installation process is easy and requires no drilling. The basic multi version consists of just 3 components and is available for purchase at $1,050. For larger vehicles, bigger upgrades are available to meet your specific cargo transportation needs. Elon Musk has ambitious plans to transform the Tesla Cybertruck into an amphibious vehicle, but the necessary modifications come with a hefty price tag. To fund these endeavors, one option could be this Tesla kit priced at $2,975, which effectively turns the Cybertruck into a camper of sorts. The tent sets up in a matter of minutes with a pump, and the kit includes poles, an awning, a repair kit, and a set of brackets. When folded, everything fits neatly in the Cybertruck's trunk, and when unfolded, it comfortably accommodates several people, providing a convenient base camp for outdoor adventures. If the Cybertruck camping conversion doesn't appeal to you, or if you're not in the market for a Cybertruck at all, consider checking out 27 North's products. This company specializes in manufacturing luxury motorhomes like the Ascender. The Ascender, built on a Ford F550 chassis with 4-wheel drive and various upgrades, features solar panels with a 1200-watt capacity, a kitchen, a shower room, a double bed, a full-size fridge, and heating. However, luxury comes with a price, and the Ascender starts at a minimum of $750,000. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more incredible innovations for pickup trucks. Which invention caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos showcasing the latest innovations in technology and craftsmanship. Until next time, happy truck modding.